Okay, let's look at the homework 4.5, 4.6, number 7. Right. So we have equation given, and we want to find the equations of the tangent line. Right. So let's do that. All right. So first, we need to find the point. So as usual, to find equation of a tangent line, we need two pieces of information. First one is a point. So I'm going to call it x1, comma y1. Right. So x value is already given here. So x1 is 3. Right. Then we can plug 3 for x into this equation to find the corresponding y value. So it's going to be plugging 3 here. So it's a 3y minus, I plug in 3 here, so it's going to be 3 times 12, so 36, I meant, right, and plus 9 equal to 0, right, and this will give us, let's say, 3y minus 27, right. Then we can just add 27 to get 3y is equal to 27, and then we can just divide through by 3 to isolate y. Right, so corresponding y value is 9. Right, now we have to find the slope of the line, so m. Right, so what we need to do is we need to find dy over dx. Right, so we take that equation, so it was xy minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the curve. And we're going to take the derivative with respect to x. Right. So since the first term is a product of two things, x times y, so we're going to use a product rule. Right. Derivative of x is 1 times second guy, which is y, plus first guy, which is x, and multiply by derivative of y is dy over dx, and derivative of negative 12x is negative 12, and derivative of 9 is 0 since it is a constant, and the same thing, derivative of 0 is 0 because it's a constant. All right, so we're going to put all the terms that has no dy over dx onto the other side. So you can see that here is y. I'm going to put it on the other side by subtracting y, and also negative 12 onto the other side, so by adding 12, right? So these two terms will be placed on the other side. All right, so we have x times dy over dx is equal to, right, so we have 12 there, so 12, and also negative y, right. Then we can isolate dy over dx by dividing through by x. We have dy over dx is equal to 12 minus y over x. Right, so that's the derivative. So what we need to do is plug in x equals 3 and y equals 9. So let's do that. So 12 minus y is 9, so plug in 9 here, over x is 3. Right, so 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right, so slope came out to be 1. All right, then we can just use the point slope form to write the equation. So it's a y minus y1 is 9. So y1 is 9 right here. Right, is equal to slope m happens to be just 1 times quantity x minus x1 is 3. Right, which is just x minus 3, because multiplied by 1 doesn't really do much. Right, then we can just add 9 so that we can write it as the slope-intercept form. So it's going to be x, and negative 3 plus 9 is plus 6. Right, so let's type it in. Right, so find the equation of the tangent line. So it came out to be y is equal to x plus 6. Right, so let's check the answer. Right, got it. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.